If you're in a hurry and have no time to wash your car or living in a small area with limited space, use Microtex Dry Wash. It cleans and shines your car in just seconds. First, use Microtex Duster to remove any excessive dust, then spray Dry Wash on the panel. Simply wipe and buff with just 2 towels, 1 wipe and 1 buff. You can either use our Terry, Plush, or Ultra Plush.